Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So straight back into the video, I've been using my Louise base in number 5 to mute out my lids. Guys, sorry for this angle, but I didn't realize that it was a terrible angle, but I fixed it later on when it was too late. So yeah, I'm going back in with that Violet Voss palette and using that orange color in the top to use as my transition color. So we're going bling, bling, blend and pack and blend, blend and pack and blend. Go back and forth, and then Gordon decides to make an appearance. My friend that helped me set up today with the camera, because I borrowed my friend's camera. Excuse me for the last video, the quality was dropped by YouTube because I was recording with my phone. But yeah, I borrowed my friend's camera until I get my own, and he helped me set up. So yeah, so you'll see him in the video for a bit, but yeah. So yeah, and then I go back and forth as I said, and then I go in with the brown colour called Teddy Bear in the palette, and brownie points in the palette, and then I define my crease with this. Again, this is a cut crease, but we're not going to be cutting our crease, so just make sure that you really intensify this colour in your crease and make sure that it is visible, but then still mute and blend it into that orange that we placed first. If you like, you can go back and forth with the colours and go back and blend the edges if need be. So yeah, as you can see here, I've really defined my crease. I know it's really a side angle, guys, really I apologise, but I really wanted to put this video out there for you guys. So yeah, and it's easy to do it with a dense brush as well, so a denser blending brush, so that you can really pack on that colour and then go back and forth with the orange to blend the edges, so that can be smooth and seamless. Yeah, so now I'm going in with my lid colour. I've forgotten the name of it, guys. I should really put the palettes next to me next time. So yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I pat it on my lid, right? So I pat it on my lid, pat, and then I start to define my crease with that colour, with that lid colour. So you'll see me place it on top, and then later on you see me swiping it further up, literally kind of creating that cut crease there when it goes back in focus. Okay, and literally those are the 3 simple steps to get a cut crease without actually having to cut your crease with a concealer. So then I go back to the brown colour Teddy Bear to blend the edges, and that was just a quick clip to show you what it was supposed to look like. Then I go in with my NYX liner, just like I did in the last video, half liner, not full, just kind of like wing it, and then fill out the inside, and then the corners will be blended back out and fused, or smoked out should I say, with the Teddy Bear colour. Yeah, and that's basically the eye done. So I sped up the rest of my face routine because y'all have seen it in my last few videos, so I didn't feel like I needed to do that again. But yeah, again, the lid colour, I go back up just to make sure that I can really see a cut in the crease, right? So yeah, as I said, the face stuff, I sped it up, and then just enjoy that. I pop on some Bria lashes in the style Brianna, and yeah, keep them moving. I'm blue, dum dee dum da. After I did my face and I set it, it's a little tip and trick that I learned from Auntie Jackie Aina. Once you've put your setting spray on your face, just kind of like, you know, press that in to set it for you. So now just go in with my chestnut lip liner as per usual, overline my lips, okay, for supreme plumpness. Yes, plumpness. And yeah, because your lips must look succulent at all times. And then I use my Revlon lipstick in the color Mink. Those that have been subscribed to my channel from day know that I absolutely love this lipstick on clients and on myself. Then I use my NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. I need more colors. Is it Praline or Praline? Or Praline? Guys, let me know how you pronounce it because I don't know. And that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed.